The Beelink GTR9 Pro 395 AI has been getting plenty of attention lately, but does it live up to expectations? As we dive into our review, you'll see that this mini PC packs quite a punch, especially when it comes to its AI capabilities. Let's take a closer look at the key specifications. The Beelink GTR9 Pro 395 AI is powered by an AMD Ryzen AI Max plus 395 processor, which delivers impressive performance with its 16 cores and 32 threads, reaching speeds of up to 5.1 GHz. This powerful CPU is complemented by a dedicated GPU, the AMD Radeon 8060S, which boasts 40 compute units and supports ray tracing. One of the standout features of this mini PC is its AI capabilities, with an NPU that provides up to 126 TOPS of performance. This enables fast and efficient AI processing, making it perfect for tasks like facial recognition, object detection, and more. The Beelink GTR9 Pro also comes equipped with a range of connectivity options, including 2 by 10 gigabits per second Ethernet LAN ports, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and multiple USB ports. This ensures seamless connectivity to your devices and makes it easy to transfer files and stream content. In terms of storage, the Beelink GTR9 Pro features dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 x 4 SSD slots, which support up to 8 terabytes of fast internal storage. This means you can store all your files and applications in this compact machine, making multitasking a breeze. The Beelink GTR9 Pro also boasts an impressive cooling system, with MSC 2.0 technology that keeps the device running at an incredibly low noise level of 32 dB. This makes it perfect for use in quiet environments or for those who prefer a distraction-free experience. Now, let's talk about display quality. The Beelink GTR9 Pro supports quad display output, making it easy to connect multiple monitors to your workspace. It also features a range of ports including HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1, which support up to 8K resolution at 60 Hz. But how does the Beelink GTR9 Pro perform in real-world use? We put it through its paces with a range of tasks, from AI-powered photo editing to gaming and video streaming. The results were impressive, with smooth performance and fast rendering times. One area where the Beelink GTR9 Pro excels is in its audio capabilities. With built-in dual speakers, this mini PC delivers high-quality sound that's perfect for music, movies, or online conferencing. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning some limitations. The Beelink GTR9 Pro does require a bit of setup to get started, and the cooling system can generate some heat during intense usage. Overall, the Beelink GTR9 Pro 395 AI is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful and versatile mini PC that's perfect for AI-driven tasks or everyday use. Its impressive performance, range of connectivity options, and quiet operation make it a compelling option in this crowded market. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.